heard the ticking of a clock. I'm lying here, speech done. I wonder where you are tonight. No answers on the telephone, and the night goes by so very slow. I hope that it won't end alone. Till then, I'd always get my alone. I never really cared until I met you, and now it cheers me to the bone. How do I get you alone? How do I get you alone? You don't know how long I have wanted to touch your lips and hold you tight. No, you don't know how long I have waited, and now it's gonna tell you tonight. But a secret is still my own, and my love for you is still unknown. You don't know how long I have wanted to touch your lips and hold you tight.